Hey, so in this video I'm going to show you 6 ways to find trending products, like trending Etsy niches. And this is very important to keep on top of this because trending stuff works very well. So the first thing is literally go to Google and type in trending products on Etsy. Now I'm going to get more Canadian results, but if you're in the US, you'll get US results. And then we've got this trending now. So it says etsy.com/ca market trending _ now. And you'll see what's working for digital, t-shirt, SVG, mugs, popular right now, jewelry, trending. All of these on the front page are really trending products. So what I like to do is I find this trending page, and then I'll also load up Everbee, and I'll go to product analytics, and then I'll just see which one on this page actually has the most sales. And we can see that it is, this one is the top one. So this personalized name necklace is trending big time right now. Look at the reviews, 37 reviews. That's insane. That's a ton of reviews. So if you have any way to list these on your Etsy shop, you're going to do very well. I happen to be running a boot camp and training in my group coaching program on exactly this. So if you're wondering how to do it, I can help you with it. But if we look at the sales, like the way you look at it, 12,437 sales. If I pull out my calculator, 12,437 times 14.95, that's about 185,000. Oh, sorry, I did that wrong. 12,437 divided by 0.15, assuming 15% of people actually did a review, is 82,913 approximate sales times 14.95. That's about 1.2 million in sales of this particular personalized necklace. What that means is you should be in this business big time. So let's go here and let's go to, cost to ship is free. What some places will do is they'll put the price super low and then they'll make it up in the shipping costs. But this particular one, it's actually free shipping. So there's one trending product. Here's another one. And if you look and you start seeing patterns like this, the first 3 are all personalized name necklaces. That means that's a product you should definitely be looking at right now, like zero doubt about it. And then of course there's digital planners. There's a split monogram. What's this one? Let's check this. Digital planner sell well. Split monogram alphabet, SVG. Split monogram frame alphabet, cut file for cry cut, silhouette. This is $1. And this has a whole bunch of reviews and a whole bunch of sales. So people who are like into crafting or anything like that, they'll be using that. And back here, we got digital planners as well that are working very well. So this particular niche is always huge, especially on Etsy. And of course, there's no shipping costs because why would there be? It's a bestseller. So that's one way. The second way is to just go to Etsy and start typing things in. So if I type in gift for her, then I can see it'll start loading up kind of the monthly searches with my Everbee plugin. And I can see that gift for her for Christmas has 990 searches. Gift for her has 4,020 searches. If I click that, then I'm going to get kind of the best sellers and the trending stuff is going to come up here. And you'll see that this top spot right here, these are ads, this first row. So let's go to the second row where it is the actual organic listings. And this is a necklace, a ring, a name necklace again. Now I might be getting skewed results because I already clicked on those. So I'm going to go to an incognito window. I'm going to go to Etsy now and I'm going to type it into the search. And this way there's no cookies or anything that are coming up. And I'm going to go to gifts for her. Let's see what comes up. If the results are different, not really. The personalized stuff is working. These portraits are working very well right now. There's a lot of stuff that's working very well right now. These portraits, by the way, are super simple to do. You could sell this. So let's go to this one. So it's called a custom faceless portrait. And what happens is down here, select an option. One person in background. Okay, so they will actually take your picture and they'll convert it using artificial intelligence mainly. And there's some programs and apps out there that the seller can actually take your image and it can convert it to this and then send it back to you. So this is another thing that's working very, very well. It says in the description how they do it. It says, I'm new here, drawing portraits. Oh, they're actually drawing it. I doubt they're drawing it. There are apps that'll do this stuff. Like, yeah, there's apps that will produce these very easily. I don't think this person's drawing that many of them. There's no way. There's no way. No, they're plugging that into an artificial intelligence program and they're doing it that way. So anyway, let's go back to the main page here. Let's scroll down and you can see if you keep scrolling on Etsy, you usually don't get to the bottom very easily. But the third way that we can actually find trending niches and products on Etsy is to follow them on social media. So that means going to places like their blog. Go here. And you can see that they've got a lot of ideas on here. Festive yarn, DIY gifts. But the social media side is what I'm looking for. So if I go to just Facebook, then I can actually type in Etsy. Then I can go to their page. So if I click, right here is Etsy's page. And when it's got the verified thing, it means it is actually Etsy's page. So I click on that. Then I can see design awards, but I can start to see products too. And again, there's that portrait thing. There's a coffee mug. This is pretty old. Is this the Etsy page? Huh, I'm getting that Canadian one. Maybe if I remove that. The US results are a lot bigger. Ah, keep going to Canadian. View shop, see where they take me. All these. So you can follow them on social. Maybe I'll go to Instagram and follow them. Let's see that. Let's find Etsy. Let's do this. I don't know. I can't remember the logins for most of these, unfortunately. Okay, so I'm into my PPC Coach account. Let's search for Etsy. There it is. And here we go. So usually anything that they're showing up quite a bit, fan faves is another one. You'll find that's probably a good spot to start. A lot of Christmas stuff right now, of course, ornaments and mugs and things like that. Just by following them on social. Let's go to fan faves and see what happens. Oh, did anything change? Oh, there we go. So I don't know, gift boxes, stuff like that. And you can follow them probably on TikTok too, I imagine. They're over there. But that's a good way to find niches that are working. When you start seeing a lot of the same, it typically means that there's a reason for that. It's because it's working. So the number 4, as far as trying to figure out what's working, how to find trending niches on Etsy, is go to Facebook groups. So let's go back here. Let's just type in Etsy, and then let's go to groups only. You can see here. Here's an Etsy sellers only, Etsy print on demand, Everbee, Etsy Canada, Etsy seller support community. That's a big one, 157,000. Etsy marketplace, Etsy sellers, Etsy print on demand, best of Etsy, advertise your shop and Etsy items. That's cool. Let's go to the big one. Etsy seller support community. Now, usually what you'll find in here is a lot of people complaining, honestly. But you can search it. So go to the group and search for, I don't know, hot products to sell. Something like that. See what comes up. I don't even know. I haven't done this yet. Permanently suspended. That's not a hot product. Toques, I guess. Die-cast collectibles. So this is more of the handmade stuff. This isn't really the print-on-demand stuff. Yeah, a lot of people just complain in this one. But you can go to Etsy seller groups and find that. There's also Etsy forums, which are right here. You scroll all the way down to the page. There's the forums, which are right here. You can go in here and you can start searching for kind of trending. So this would be kind of the fourth way as well, like groups and forums to search a community. 2020 trends. You also get emails that'll have a lot of them on them. There you go. Share your questions about 2022 trends. There you go. So you can find them there. The fifth way is to check out Etsy's Seller Handbook, which is right here. So when you go to the forums, it is in here, and then you can go look at latest getting started, growing your business, seller success, site updates. So if you hit this, well, there's 2022. Typically they'll have trending products on there. Marketplace insights, early 2023 trends. So here you go. How to use a report, colors of the year, occasions, New Year's, right? And really, as far as checking their seller handbook and looking at these articles, the planners and that kind of thing work very well for trending products to sell on Etsy. And you can make these up in Canva. You can buy templates. You can buy everything. Valentine's Day is trending, of course, right now because it's the time of the year. Mother's Day is coming up. Decor trends. So you can look at all this. And this is right in the seller handbook on Etsy. And finally, the fifth way that we can look at kind of trending products is to go to other marketplaces like Amazon and see what's kind of trending on there. So if you go there and you go, the easiest way is always Google. This is the sixth way to find them. Trending products. Or trending niches, I guess. Top 10 niches, that's KDP. Oh, I don't want Kindle Direct. Although, not a bad idea. It's just, that's more the book side. Best-selling niches. What niches are trending in 2022? Top 9 ways to find profitable Amazon niche seller app. 5 tips. So there's all these that you can use to find these. So cooking, home lighting, home fitness, home office equipment, pet supplies. They're all doing very well on Amazon. And if you're looking for trending niches in Amazon for, let's try this. You'll get some YouTube videos. What niches sell the most? Fashion, of course. So, you know, t-shirts, sweatshirts, hoodies, whatever it may be. What are the top niches right now? You're going to get a whole bunch of results for this. So, in summary, though, the 6 ways that we talked about so far are check the trending section of Etsy's homepage. That's, well, number 1. Number 2 is use the Etsy search function to see what's popping up with the suggested keywords. Number 3 is follow Etsy's social media accounts. You'll get a lot of good ideas there. Number 4 is join Etsy seller groups like on Facebook or their forums. You get a lot of good ideas there, as well as kind of searching through the seller handbook, which is number 5. And number 6 is just check out other platforms like eBay, Amazon. You could go to print-on-demand sites as well and see what's selling really well there. You can go to print-on-demand groups and you can see what's selling well there. There's also kind of a bonus one, like a 7th one, is spy tools. You can use those to see what's trending on Etsy too. And if you need any ideas for which spy tools work and which don't, let me know in the comments and I can post some links for you. So there's 6 solid ways plus 1 bonus way, I guess 7 ways to find trending products on Etsy right now. If you have any questions, let me know. Have a great day.